Ooh. Okay, wow. Snickers are hard to cut. Probably also because I had them in the fridge. That was just 6 Snickers bars that we cut into 3 pieces each. Slide them into your large bowl. Make sure they're fully separated. Now we have 3 Granny Smith apples that I went ahead and chopped up. And we have a half a lemon here into our lemon squeezer, and we're just gonna squeeze a nice amount of lemon all over these apples to prevent browning. Then we'll take those apples, we're just gonna toss them in with our Snickers pieces. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And here we have 2 small boxes of cheesecake pudding. I could only find sugar-free, fat-free, so that's what we're doing. Okay, and since we use 2 boxes of pudding, we have 4 cups of milk here. And don't worry, I'm not gonna make you watch me mix this pudding the whole time, but yeah, you're just gonna whisk it together for about 2 minutes till it's thick. All right, we are nice and thick. That's what we're talking about. Now, we have 16 ounces of Cool Whip, original. You can get extra creamy if you want, but this is what they had at my store, so that's what I'm doing. Make sure your Cool Whip is thawed and get it all out of there. We don't want to waste any of this. It's really good stuff. You can use homemade whipped cream if you want. And now you are just going to want to fold the Cool Whip into that cheesecake pudding. We are making a super easy dessert. I already told you guys that, but I just need to stress it because it's so easy. It's the perfect thing to bring to a family function or to church, a baby shower, anything you could think of. This is so good, guys. Ugh. All right, once we got this nice, fluffy and smooth consistency, let's bring back in our apples and our Snickers pieces, and then we're just going to pour this all over. Oh, food makes me feel good. All right, and just make sure you scrape your bowl clean. All right, once you got it all out of there, you are going to just go ahead and dig from the bottom and fold. Oh, there's the clocks. Fold the apple pieces and the Snickers bars together with this delicious mixture that we have here. All right, and once everything is nice and combined in there, we are just going to chill this in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Oh man, this is ready to eat. But first, I have about half of an apple that I also just sliced up just for some cute topping that we can put just for decoration, just so it looks cute. And then a couple more Snickers bars that I chopped up. Just throw it on there however you like. All right, that looks good. But we also have to add, wait, hold on. But we also need to add some of this caramel sundae syrup all on top. Ooh, yeah, that looks great. Oh, wow. Oh, we have got to just dig right into this masterpiece. I want some apple, I want all of that. Oh, yeah, let's get a nice big helping just for us. Wow.